everyone, Jeff Wizzery, back again, jeffwizzery.com. Just want to do my next installment on domain name registration, domain hosting, and now creating and installing WordPress into your domain or website name so you can set up a squeeze or capture page to start drawing people into your service or offer and creating a list and making tons of money. So anyways, as a footnote, I use GVO because it gives you all your web hosting, your video conferencing, your video producers, your web conferencing. I mean, it's got everything, all the tools in one program. It's a great program, but this pretty much the generic terms will basically apply to anybody or any web host service. What you want to do now in this video is we're going to install WordPress, which is one of the best blog creation, page creation programs out there. So we'll want to go into GVO or whatever host manager you have into the back office. So you go to Web Host Manager. You want to access your host manager, and it'll bring you into your host manager back office. Remember last time we went into and created a new account. These are the domains that I have active here. So we'll just kind of use teamsissel.com, which I just created. I'm assuming you created this domain name. What you'll want to do is you want to go into this cPanel icon, okay? And that'll bring you into your cPanel back office. Now you see it says, warning, you are logged in with reseller root password. So if you recall, with each domain name, you have to create a username and a password to get into its specific back office to use the function. So I'm going to log out here, and I'm going to log back into my cPanel. And I'm just going to put, Team Sissy. I had to go Sissy there. But my password's automatically stored, so I'm going to re-log in to get rid of that error message. Okay, now we're in like Flynn. Now, you want to go down to whatever your host in GVO, it's under Software and Services, this little smiley face called Fantastico Deluxe. Check on that little smiley face guy. Fantastico Deluxe is a template and program that will install the script. In this case, I'm going to use WordPress, so I can create a splash page within my domain, teamsissel.com. So you hit WordPress here, and then you want to hit New Installation. So you want to install it into that domain name, and it brings up the input fields. Install domain should input whatever domain name you have. I leave this blank. It'll just install it in the root directory. Again, you want to put the username and password here, username and the password you made up. If you have a nickname like I Love Lucy, you can put that in that box. Now, whatever email you want, if you have created a specific email to go along with your domain name for any correspondence that comes in, which I haven't, so I changed that to my regular email address. The site name is pretty self-explanatory, and a description if you want to put one in there. Then all you do, it's very easy, just hit install WordPress and voila, it's going to say I can't do it because I've already installed it and I don't have another domain name quite yet to go through the process. But once it does it, it'll go through and install WordPress as a script into that domain name. So then when you go back and you get it all completed, which is another video and takes more time to go through the motions of how to set up the squeeze page once you're in WordPress. But you should, when somebody clicks on that domain name, it should bring them to, see, I created this squeeze page. So you can see, you want to put, and that's another video, but this gives the complete package for somebody to enter their information, submit, and to start building your list. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it gave you some good information. We're getting a little more into the technical aspects, and a lot of people in the industry don't bother doing this. They hire it out, but I feel it's worthwhile to learn it. So hopefully you learned something. Wish everybody the best of success out there.